we present you a new video. I hope it will be useful. If you don't want to miss other interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. How to replace the rear wheel bearing on BMW 3 Series E90. To replace it, you need some special tools and devices. Remove the wheel. Remove the fixing screw of the brake disc. Remove the brake caliper and its support. Remove the brake disc. Loosen the rear output shaft nut. Push the rear output shaft back. Remove the ABS sensor. Use an inertial hammer to remove the wheel bearing hub. Remove the handbrake shoes and the actuation cable. Remove the stabilizer link. Remove all rear wheel carrier mounting bolts. Remove rear wheel carrier. Remove the bearing lock ring. Fix the wheel carrier in the hydraulic press. Operate the hydraulic press to remove the old bearing. Put the wheel carrier in the hydraulic press again. The bearing that we will mount is produced by FAG and has the part number 713649-390. Push the new bearing into the working position. Install the wheel bearing lock ring. Install the wheel hub by pressing the center of the new bearing. Mount the wheel carrier. Mount, but without tightening all the screws of the fixing arms. Tighten all the bolts of the arms only after placing the wheel support in the normal working position. Install and tighten the central nut. Clean the mounting surface of the brake disc well. Install all other components in the reverse order of disassembly. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back with more interesting videos soon. In order do not miss other videos that may interest you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.